Pinterest just ended the Creator Rewards program. They just sent out this email today stating that November 30th, 2022 will be the last day of the Pinterest Creator Rewards program, but they also sent out promising news as well. The first piece of good news is they're sending select creators who participated in the rewards program a special bonus, and in my case, it's a sweet $750 bonus. This next piece of news, and the one that I'm most excited about, is that Pinterest is going to allow us to include links in Idea Pins. Before, you can only do that with affiliate links on Idea Pins. So this is really neat because the majority of people on Pinterest, they earn their money with affiliate marketing or with selling their own digital courses. And now they're going to allow us to link out with Idea Pins. Now, don't sleep on Pinterest. Pinterest also said that they're going to be launching new programs, and if you want to be invited into those programs, then make sure you're creating on Pinterest, specifically creating Pinterest Idea Pins. Now, if you want more information about how to make money online with affiliate marketing or in the creator economy, make sure you like and follow.